Fszdorj 23.6 ceiling fan with light brings a compact and modern solution for rooms where space and ceiling height are limited. Its low-profile design allows it to sit close to the ceiling, making it a strong fit for bedrooms, apartments, offices, and smaller living areas where traditional fans may feel too bulky or visually heavy. Despite its compact size, it is designed to deliver steady airflow that helps keep the environment comfortable throughout different seasons. The integrated lighting system adds another layer of practicality, combining illumination and air circulation in a single fixture. This makes it especially useful for rooms where you want to reduce clutter and avoid installing separate ceiling lights and fans. The light output is designed to provide balanced brightness suitable for daily activities such as reading, working, or relaxing in the evening. One of the noticeable strengths of this type of upgraded ceiling fan is its focus on quiet operation. A smooth motor system helps reduce noise, allowing it to run in the background without disturbing sleep or concentration. With multiple speed settings and convenient remote control access, adjusting airflow becomes simple and effortless without needing to reach the switch or pull chains. Energy efficiency is another advantage, as modern ceiling fans like this are typically built to consume less power while still maintaining effective air circulation. The reversible airflow function helps during both hot and cooler months by pushing air downward in summer and redistributing warm air in winter, making it a year-round comfort solution. Visually, the fan keeps a clean and minimal appearance that blends well with contemporary interiors. Its compact blade design and integrated light give it a streamlined look that does not overpower the room's decor, instead complementing modern furniture and ceiling styles. Overall, the Fszdorj 23.6 ceiling fan with light is a practical and stylish upgrade for anyone looking to improve airflow and lighting in a small to medium space. It combines convenience, quiet performance, and modern design in a single unit, making it a strong choice for everyday home comfort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.